this is Rhonda's Colorful Creations. This is the Crockpot Instapot collaboration. Our host is Mrs. Armorici, and the co-host is Jess Clarice. Rhonda is making Southwest chicken and rice.
So I put chicken broth in there. This is 32 ounces. I have to walk across the room and get my scissors. So now I'm going to put Southwest chicken seasoning mix in there. Ooh, that's gonna look pretty tasty. I want to mix in all the seasoning. I have some frozen chicken here. It's 4 pieces of frozen chicken. Maybe 5 on this. There might be 3 in this one. I have some mixed vegetables here. Carrots, green beans, corn, peas. Alright, the whole bag's going in there. Usually I separate it and split it in half. Now I'm putting some pepper and onion, yellow onions, green bell peppers, red bell peppers. So I only put like half of this bag in there, so I'm going to save the other half and refreeze it. And now I'm going to put it in the Instapot. Plug it in. I need to get my lid. I'm going to do meat stew, 30 minutes. And I'm going to hit start. Nope, that was off. Ha. Oh, there we go. There it goes. So 30 minutes, we'll come back and look at it. Oh, this looks so good. I'm gonna hit the rice. 10 minutes. And it should be all done. I'm gonna drop it down to, no, that was too quick. If I bump my phone, it might turn off again. Doesn't get I'm trying to record. There's a little bit of a good flavoring. It's not hot though. It's not spicy. All right, I'm dumping this one now. Yeah, this one's like really needing some more cooking here. That's the biggest piece though. It's kind of pink. But I only cooked it, all the frozen things went in there for 30 minutes. And that was it. I vented it and then pulled the chicken so that I could start cutting them apart. And I have my bag of rice here. I bought the big bags of rice, so I just have to scoop some out. Because 3 cups of rice should be about 6 cups of rice, because it doubles. But in an Instapot, it cooks so much faster. My son's at work until like 6, so guess what's for dinner tonight? This. And I do not give my dogs the chicken bones. I have a pit bull and a terrier. The chicken bones get lodged when the little pieces get lodged in their throats, and I don't like that. Yeah, see, it's still red. So that'll be cooked longer. Let's take the skin off though. Usually, like, I'll do chicken noodle soup in the Instapot. And I usually just add the noodles after I cut up the chicken. But I did use the Southwest seasoning, so I want to use rice tonight.